Okay, I've taped up the sunroof panel. Make sure it doesn't get scratched up because it's been freshly painted. And I started to remove the cable guide. As you can see, it's underneath. It's kind of shiny steel. As I'm pulling, the cables are coming out from the main part of the sunroof. So what I'm going to do is pull this off completely so I can clean it, and hopefully it won't be the end of my sunroof. And just like that, it's out. Now I can clean this, flush it out, and then re-grease it. So I'll put this aside for now. Okay, I'll see if I can get the panel off now.